Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Mazda 3 infotainment screen. Many owners experience issues like ghost touch or cracked displays, making a replacement necessary. This do-it-yourself project typically takes about 1 hour to complete. You will need a few basic tools, including plastic trim removal tools, a 10mm socket with an extension, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Having these items ready will ensure a smoother process from start to finish. First, gently pry off the dashboard trim piece, starting from the passenger side, using your plastic trim tools. This section includes the air vents and hazard light button. Once loose, carefully disconnect the electrical connector for the hazard lights. Next, locate the single 10mm bolt positioned behind where the vents were. Use your socket and extension to remove this bolt, which secures the entire infotainment unit in place. Be careful not to drop it. With the main unit now free, carefully pull it forward to access the rear. Disconnect all electrical connectors and wiring harnesses attached to the back of the unit. There are typically 4 to 5 small screws that secure the screen assembly to the main radio unit. Remove these. Then, gently separate the old digitizer screen from its plastic bezel. This may involve carefully prying around the edges, as some adhesive might be present, possibly requiring low heat. Now, take your new replacement screen and connect its ribbon cable, ensuring it is properly seated and locked. Secure the new screen to the radio unit using the 4 or 5 screws you removed earlier. Reconnect all the electrical harnesses to the back of the infotainment unit. Finally, slide the entire assembly back into the dashboard opening, secure the 10mm bolt, and carefully snap the dashboard trim and air vents back into their original positions until all clips are engaged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.